Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the dollar index, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found, and this is a 2-hour time frame, is that there is a breakout this morning of this very well-defined tight channeling mode after we already had a sell-off in the background. And for me, this is basically a big sign that market exhausted a lot at this stage. We even had a bull divergence on the 310 oscillator. And now with this morning, we're seeing that there is a breakout. I see this like a very good opportunity for the upside to continue, and my advice to watch for buying opportunities on intraday dips with potential upside objectives at 1.0540, 543, and then 1.0625 or 1.0640. So there is a breakout, so there's a confirmation of that there is upside breakout, the bull divergence, the well-defined channel. So we have from different perspectives, we have the same story. And this is usually where the odds are best, for the market to develop, in this case, into the upside direction. Speaking of the dollar index, we can see the dollar index is correcting, and it's a very similar, it's basically just opposite chart from the euro. Again, slope pattern, and there is a breakout. And this is just telling me that, again, the dollar index might also revisit 104 area, 104.07 or 103.90. So this may be just the beginning of this downside movement. So again, similar thing to the euro, opposite, market went here in this example, the rally, and then start to slope a lot, and then the sell-off and the breakout. So expect a further downside. My expectation is the dollar index can further downside movement, at least to revisit the beginning of this channeling mode. Gold market from other side, it went from a very choppy environment, but still there is a plenty of underlying supports there and swing lows here, and we also even have a tail here. Market had a breakout upside, downside, upside. It's basically lots of choppiness in the gold. And this breakout, it happened this morning during the Asia session. We see that there is a bigger reaction. We see that there is a tail left already in the 2-hour time frame. If we go to the hourly time frame, we can see the same thing. So it's at this stage, it's very hard to tell, because we rejected from 1810, which was one of the levels in case of the downside breakout. This was the first objective. The second one is at 1790 level, and it seems like price is trying, and it's going again into this box. So it's not looking that good, and there is no market reacted aggressively already, so that's not a good sign. So I will not be surprised if market just back to there is a sideways line here, and around 1849, and so we still don't have any evidence. From one side we have rejection of support, from other side there is a breakout active, from another side market back into the box. So I will wait for a little more information on that market. If there is a more downside, then I would like to see market to resell further. But for now, I don't see that. So waiting for more informations here. But if we clear 1810, then we can open the door for 1788. Speaking of the crude oil market, if we go to the 2-hour, let's say, we can see basically, or a 4-hour time frame, that market basically, this is a pretty normal. It can be, just like a normal correction or ABC. If you check here, this can be completion of the ABC. So it seems like market is still, there is a plenty of potential for the upside. We're in the rising cycle. We're exiting from this whole like a bottoming process here, and crude oil is still looks like pretty healthy, and still potential to revisit that 127, 129 mark zone, and the highs from basically beginning of the March this year. So upside opportunities will be preferable under this condition. And then the Bitcoin that had a big sell-off, markets just broke this balanced regime to the downside. They almost revisited our main objective, which is at 20,000. Didn't actually test 20,000, but it was very close to test. And got some reaction from buyers this morning. So this is how it looks like. I don't see any spectacular reversal patterns here, but so far we'll see how much the rally can do. So far, again, big downside break, and 20,000 mark can still be in the play. I just don't see that so far this rally is over here. I don't see any pattern or something, but watch for continuation on pattern, ideally for some kind of the bear flag, and for eventual retest of the 20,000 mark. That will be all for this update in this video. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.